What I wish I'd known before I was homeless. I'll go first. I wish I'd known that my friends would let me down. Living with them was my biggest dream. It turned bad.
I wish I'd known that unexpected bills happen a lot. I should have asked for help sooner and learned how to handle the money better, not waited until I got into one deep mess.
I wish I'd known that the council doesn't pay all your bills. Getting benefits and rent paid is not as easy as I thought.
I wish I'd known being pregnant doesn't automatically put you at the top of the housing list. I thought they'd give me and Kenny a place together.
I wish I'd known you don't always get placed in local housing. I don't know anyone at the shelter I'm in, and the train home to see my mates is expensive.
I wish I'd known how good I actually had it at home. I had no bills to pay and my room was great. I shouldn't have let my mum's nagging get in my head and make me leave so soon. I wish I'd known that my parents' house rules were nothing compared to the rules and regulations I have to obey in homeless accommodation.
If you need help and advice about living on your own, get in touch with the Oak Tree Project.